Hello and welcome back again, my friend, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style and the timeline it will show to your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, yes you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see here, today that the daily candle here, it's finished here, that one here, and it gave us today that the third day we are falling down here. Why? Because what's happening in the transaction at the Binance, they hold the withdrawal. That's why we saw that big dump here in the Bitcoin, because majority of retail traders now, there is a FOMO about that meme coin, because that pip, it go up. So majority of crypto traders now, they try to buy meme coins, but that's not our topic here. Our topic is the Bitcoin, and me, my advice to you, if you are a retail trader and you are a newbie, forget about all those things. Focus just about a stable coin like Bitcoin, because all those coins, majority of them, they are scams, guys. But that is up to you. Invest in anything you want. I will not tell you don't invest. The only thing, if you invest always wisely. Remember that. So here, guys, we said here in the daily as before, we got here a head and shoulder here. As you see it, very clear head and shoulder here in the daily. But we said the key point is that level down here. That one here of 27k. That one, if we break it down here, that's when the Bitcoin is going to fall down. But if we don't break it, maybe from here we're going to see the Bitcoin jumping up. And one other thing, very, very important, that candle here is the candle of Monday. People, they've been with us, didn't remember that the candle of Monday here. So you need to be careful, guys, what's going to happen in the coming days. Today there is no major news, but tomorrow there is very, very, very major news. It's going to come the CPI and the PPI that week, and both of them, they are inflation indicators, so you need to be focused about them. So here in the daily, we don't got something new here. Just the market now, he tried to give us here like a new price action, as you see it here. If you came like that, we got here a triangle here in the daily, as you see it very clear. We came from down here, and that one where we are. And today we got a very clear triangle here, or symmetric triangle here in the daily, in the top here and here and here. That's how we're connecting them. So that one, if we break above here, maybe the market is going to go higher. Till now, us we need to wait and what's going to happen in the coming days. Another thing very important here, let me show it to you here in the daily. The other important thing, guys, we break in here the 50 moving average here. We break it down. So people, they being with us we buying from, when we touch in here, we buying 20%, and we said 50% we will buy it from down here if we touch in the 200 moving average. And I told you, even that level here, that one here at 24k is a very, very stronger level here. We need to be focused about it. So till now we still far away, but now the key level, you need to be focused about that level. I'm going to tell you, is it here, 27k. That one here, if we break it down, that means us we are going to go to touch here the 200 moving average. If not, us we are just going to bounce from here and going up. And here in the daily, another thing, people, they've been with us, they remember that. But if you just came now, I'm going to show it to you. We got here, we said it thousands of times before. We said we got here like a up channel like that, very clear. We came here and we drawing the channel like that. As you see it, I don't draw it very well because me are focused about the down level here. I said maybe we are going to go to fall down to touch that level here, as you see it, and that level here, if you see it, is going to be next to that level me I told you at 24k. Even that level, we need to be focused about it. And that last dump, guys, is going to be the last one. Remember that. That last dump is going to be the last one. We don't know tell where it's going to go, but it's going to be the last one. There is a dump coming. Also, we are in a very, very nice profit tail. Now, people, they've been with me. If you just follow yesterday video, we'll have you enter short with us. But if you just came now, we're going to give you more interest to enter long or to enter short. Now, here at that level where we are here in the daily, I just show you, got down here a price action here. As you see it, a symmetric triangle. If that one breaking down here is going to fall down, but not that much, just maybe to here to 24k or something. I think everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, that the coming news for today. We don't got something special here. We just got here that EA short-term energy outlook, that about energy. That one, it doesn't got a big impact to the crypto. And here, our friend, guys, look at it, is that table also we follow every day. Today, as you see it, guys, all US stocks today, except the Dow Jones. As you see here, the SP closed green, the Nasdaq is closing green, and here the Dow Jones, it's closed red. So here people, they are, what can we say, they're still waiting what's going to come tomorrow. And even here, if you see in the close, all of them, they are 0.1, 0.05. That's why the market doesn't move yesterday, and even today it will not move that much. We're going to stay flat till the CPI data came tomorrow. Then we're going to make a decision based on that. Till now, everything is looking flat. And here is our friend, the VIX, as you see it. Today, it fell down a little bit, but not that much. Yesterday, we used to be 17. Today, we fall down to say 16. I think picture is too clear here. We don't need to make the video too long. Now, let's go into see what Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, Yes, you. I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Pause the video. Smash that like button. Support us. You know that channel without you, it can't grow up. So please, guys, please go ahead and support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. It will not take you long. Just 1 second from your time. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. So here in the 4 hours, the last video. The video before than that one. What else we said here? We be in here. Exactly like that. And we said we got here a symmetric triangle. Even in the thumbnail of the last video, we got the same symmetric triangle. It's getting broke here. In that level here, we'll dive you enter short. Tell here. In my Telegram channel, when we are here, I tell people, guys, try to protect yourself. I told them, try to protect yourself. That might take some of the profit and move the stop loss to break even here. Why? Because that Monday candle. And also, we're touching a very, very, very stronger level here, as you see it. Last time from here, we bounce up, and from here, we bounce up, and now we touch it here. Now, what should we do at that level here? Should we enter long? To enter long, either we need to wait in the market to give us here a price action for us to enter long, or the market to bounce up and to break here that level here. If we don't do that, there is no entry long, guys. We need to wait in more. For the short, it's need the market to come to break that level here. The short, that meant for the people, they haven't entered with us, because us we enter short from here, from that level here. Till now, us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, you remember we used to have here a trend line like that. It's being bounced from it here and here. Now it's break it here. In the last video, we've been broke it here. That's why we had dealt it. Now look where we are. We are very close to touch here the oversold area. Should you enter short now? If the price action is breaking down, you can enter short. For the people that enter short with us from here, what should you do now? You wait in more. You protect yourself and you see what the market is going to do in the coming days and coming hours. That's it. That's the only thing you have now to do. You just need to wait in where is the market is going. At this time, there is nothing new here. You need to wait in. But the bad news here, or the good news for people that enter short, also we are here in a bear market. There is no bulls controlling now. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. The one here, it enter here to the oversold area. Should we enter long? Because here we are in a oversold area. Level, you are in a very stronger level if you came from down here like that. As you see it, you are in a very stronger level. Should you enter long now? No, my friend, there is no entry long now because there is no price action here. It's telling you need to enter long. The only price action we have here is that uptrend here. It's need that one to keep to break it here for us to enter long. Or another scenario, the market to do like that to give you here a price action like how it gave us here, even the same thing. It's need to give you here the market a new price action. Till now there is nothing new here, so we need to wait in more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. In the last video, here in 30 minutes, I give you like that. A head and shoulder like that. You can find it even in the thumbnail of the video like that. Exactly. Where did it get broke? Here. People, they been with us. The video before the yesterday one. Here, we told you to enter short. From here, exactly. Look till where? Till now here. At that level where we are. What should you do here? Look with me what I'm going to do. You came to the peak. That one and that one. And you connecting them by a line like that. You see it or no? A downtrend like that. And here down, you came to that one and you do it like that. What you got here? You got a down channel here in 30 minutes, guys. Remember that. You got a down channel. That channel for you to enter long, it's need that one to come to break here for us to enter long. That's the first scenario. Another scenario, the market to give you here a price action. Why me I'm focused now about long? Because also we are in a very stronger level here in 30 minutes. Another thing, let me show it to you. Our indicator is it here at the oversold area, but the most important thing is not in that indicator. Let me show it to you. The most important thing is it here at that indicator. What we got here, look at it. You see it or no? We got down here a divergence, a very clear divergence. Should we enter short? Because look at the indicator, also we got down here a divergence level. We are in a very stronger level. Yes or no? But for us to enter long, we need either the market to give us here a price action here, telling us we need to enter long. If the market doesn't give us here a price action, we need to wait in that channel here. I just show you here to get broke for us to enter long, guys. If it doesn't get in block, there is no entry long. Or we need the market to give us here down a price action. Everything is too clear, guys. That's it for that video, and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.